Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So first, take to start, type task manager, right click to administrator to open, then find out Windows Explorer, select right click to restart. Okay, when it is normalized, then close it. So then close it. Then press Windows Control Shift B. Okay, I show you. So refresh graphic driver. Okay, so click Windows Control Shift and B. Okay, so after that your graphic card driver is reset. Again I control Windows Control Shift and B. Okay, these three button have press hold and then press to B. Okay, and then close it. Perform clean boot. So click to start, type run, open it, type ms config, then click to OK. Click services, hidden service, disable all, apply, and then OK. Then yes, you can restart it. And restart your system and then please check it. Okay, yes, thank you.